In this video we are going to have a look at how to make money on YouTube with 6 simple steps in 2021. Many people or creators over the world share their ideas with the public and many more earn a living from it. I have 6 easy steps how you also can make a living from YouTube, which I will discuss later in this video. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, which will help me a lot. But also turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell in the right hand corner so that you do not miss any of my new videos when I publish them. If you are serious of making YouTube your source of income, you will need to do some research and learn all the pros and cons. Do not think for a moment that this is a pie falling out of the sky. This is hard work, as is any other business that you want to make a success out of. Many YouTubers make a great living out of their channels, and so can you. The very first thing that you need to do is to start your own channel, if you have not already. Your channel can be about anything. Your YouTube account is the same as your Google account, so choose your username carefully. Do not make it complicated. Choose a name which is easy to remember so that people do not forget it. Now you will have to work on your content and upload it. Depending on your niche, you will have to find the topics for your content and create a video around it. Do not make your videos too long. About 4 to 5 minutes is ideal, but not shorter than 3 minutes. Your audience must not get bored or they will leave, so make the content very interesting. The main thing here is to be consistent in posting your videos. The algorithm of YouTube will pick this up to rank you higher. A good tip is to add your keywords connected to your content to the advanced section of your channel. Post your videos at least once a week. Remember, the more you put in, the more you'll get out. This is your business, so treat it as a business. Do not let your customers or viewers wait too long for your next video. That will also put them off. Don't forget about tags and keywords. That is to make sure that everybody that is interested in your niche or topic will find you. There are rules that you have to know about before doing this. For example, you will need to have a certain amount of watch hours for your channel over a certain period of time. Then you can become a YouTube partner. Partners have access to more creation tools, tips, community support, and they can even win prizes. Another thing that you have to do is to set up your AdSense account so that you can get paid. AdSense will need a PayPal account, so if you are younger than 18, ask your parents to help out. Place your videos on social media to help your videos to rank. You will have to interact with your viewers. This will help them to trust you. Nobody will buy from somebody they do not trust. Another thing for your online business is analytics. You will need to know your feedback to learn which topics resonate with your audience, so that you can improve on yours. You can also sell other people's products, which is called affiliate marketing. This is a great way to make money on YouTube, as you do not need your own products, neither do you have to have your own stock. There are thousands of products that you can sell as an affiliate. eBay offers great products that you can sell for a commission. This of course will change your content, as you will have to review your products, leave links to your products in the description of your video, and even make tutorials about how to use this type of products. Now for my easy 6 steps. Step number 1. Here are 6 tips to set up your channel for success. Choose the right niche. Choose one that resonates with you, or one that you are prepared to learn a lot about, or start a channel that you have experience in. There are many niches, but just to mention a few. There is a weight loss niche, very popular and a very big niche. Then there is the wealth niche, also very popular and a very competitive niche. If you have experience in a self-improvement niche, it is a very popular and a nice niche to go into. Then there's a make money on the internet niche, very competitive, but a great niche to be in. The beauty treatment niche, nah, not for me. Maybe for you. Fitness and health, also very competitive, but it is one of the evergreen niches. What we mean by that is that people will search for this type of niche right through the year. Then there's the travel niche. And you know what? You don't even have to be traveling to do this. Then the last one I want to mention is pets, where dog training is also a very big niche. This was just a few that I needed to mention. There are many, many more. You will just have to do some research to find out about them. Now, tip number 2 is to do market research. That is to make sure that there are people that actually watch the videos for the niche you are in. To do this, go to YouTube, enter your keyword, find the videos that has at least 10,000 views, and if there are some, you will know that you are good. Tip number 3. Choose a name for your channel. You will actually be surprised to know that the name does not really matter. Check it for yourself. Some viral videos do not even correspond to their names. It is not the name of the channel that is important, but it is what they do. Tip number 4. Start your channel. You can make as many channels on one account as you want. Tip number 5 is to optimize your settings as explained earlier. Tip number 6. Create a logo and channel art. Do not overthink this. Look at other channels in your niche to get ideas. It must just look professional. If you want to do it yourself, you can use free tools like Canva and Pixabay to create logos, channel art and thumbnails for your video that looks professional. Step 2 of our 6-step series. Find the content that people need. There is a simple method that I will show you how to get as many ideas as what you want. Make a list of about 40 ideas using your keywords. Why so many? I've noticed that about 25 to 30, that is where your videos start to get attraction. I told you it's hard work, but it is worth it. So how do you know what people are searching for? You can use a tool by the name of vidIQ that will show you the best keywords for the greatest number of searches for your keyword or niche. vidIQ is a paid tool, so if you do not want to pay for vidIQ, you can use a tool like Ubersuggest by Neil Patel, which is a free tool. Keywords Everywhere is another tool that you can use. It is not a free tool anymore, but it's very affordable. Find the videos with the most searches, which is very simple. Go to YouTube, enter your keyword for the niche, and filter the results by this month, and that will show you the videos that are working now. Scroll down and look for the searches to see what is popular. So now you have many ideas for your content. Step 3. Step 3 is to create your content and the videos. Now I know that many people, like me, do not want to show their face on camera for various reasons. You can create videos with a voiceover and you can get video clips from Pexels, which is free. I recommend to write a script for your videos and to make sure your script is unique. You can use a website named Copyscape to check if your content is unique. You will need editing software for your videos, and to edit your videos you can use a free program like OpenShot. And for music you can use YouTube Audio, which is also free. When you have made some money and you do not want to create your own videos anymore, you can outsource it. You can use a website by the name of Fiverr.com to outsource your work for a few bucks. Step 4. In step 4 we are going to upload the videos and optimize them. You can upload all your videos at once, but never publish them all at once. YouTube does not like that. You have an option on YouTube Manager where you can schedule your videos to go public one per day. This is the best option. The best is to have a planned schedule so that you upload at a specific time consistently every week. If you can make 2 videos a day, upload only 1. If you can make 5 videos a week, upload only 3 a week. The idea is to stay in front of your schedule so that you can make sure you upload at the same sequence and time consistently. Your videos must now be properly optimized. Find the keywords that is related to your video to use them for tags. You can use a free tool such as Social Blade, which is a Chrome plugin. With this tool you can see what keywords your competitors are using and you can copy them. You can also use TubeBuddy for the same purpose. It has a paid and a free version, And TubeBuddy can also be used to split test your thumbnails. It is very important to do this so that you will find the best thumbnail that will be visited the most. Step 5. Step 5 is a little bit about traffic. There are various ways to get traffic to your videos. You can do the following. Place articles or post on Facebook. You can post your videos on Instagram. Write articles on blogs and forums and backlink it to your channel or video. Choose one of the sources and learn all you can about it. We are creating videos, so why not use YouTube and Google to generate all the traffic that we want. Here is how to do it. Create a series of videos, as explained before in this video, around a similar keyword. Post one a day as described also previously in this video. Your videos will start to appear everywhere in the suggested feed and you will start getting a lot of traffic from them. If you think this is complicated and want to learn the correct procedure to do this, I will post a link at the bottom of this video that will take you to a training webinar. In this webinar, you will be shown how to rank number 1 on Google and YouTube, sometimes within 24 hours. Before I go to step 6, please remember to like this video and subscribe. I am creating more videos like this one and you then will be notified when my next video is published. Step 6. Now is the time to make money on YouTube. So how do you actually do this? Well, one of the ways is that you can monetize your videos on YouTube by joining the YouTube Partner Program, and they then will put ads on your videos. And every time somebody watches the ad, you will get paid. Not so fast, as there are a few things you need to know to be able to join this program. You will find this in their application checklist. You have to stay in a country or region where this program is available. You will need 4,000 valid public watch hours. You will need at least 1,000 subscribers. And you will also need a linked AdSense account. Check out their terms and conditions. Another way is by affiliate marketing. You can place your affiliate links in the description of your video, and when a viewer clicks on a link and buy, you get a commission. You can find affiliate products to promote on ClickBank and JVZoo, just to mention 2 of all the programs. You yourself can also put ads on your videos. The best for this is to make a video at least 10 minutes long. You now put an ad at the beginning and one at the end, and at every 2-minute intervals. This is just a few ways. There are many more. Click on the link below the video and watch the webinar. You have nothing to lose. The last word. To be successful on YouTube means hard work, determination, creativity, and a huge belief in yourself. See you in my next video.